put my backpack on to do my thing, but the bouncer wouldn't let me in. He just stood there with a stupid grin. Last time I went home crying, but I kept trying, cause he don't know the moves that I'm supplying. I'll take my glasses, I'm gonna bounce back up and kick some asses. I've waited long enough. You think you own me, you don't control me. You think you heard me saying that I'm freaky. You're just
Тебе нравятся мощные машины, ты хочешь связать с ними свою жизнь?
Когда тебе к нам?
You think you own me.